hide your face. You can call me small doctor. Oh my teacher. What's back when I'm slow through it again? Hey, ma. Back go,
They told me everybody's 15 minutes in a different time zone. And since I have it at the moment, you the one I wanna shine my light on. Get your life, little mama, won't you get?
Know that I come first. Baby, know that I come first. I come first.
Hi guys, what's good, what's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today I have the turn my little sister into me look. I mean, look at us. Are we not twins or what it is? What's up? What's up? Okay guys, so if you want to see how I achieved this look on our face or her face, because she's the only one that I did the makeup on, then stay tuned, watch the video, watch the whole video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, you know, tell a friend to tell a friend. You know how it is. Yeah. So guys, first of all, I'm going to start with the eyebrows, and wow, what a fail. I swear to God, these eyebrows, like, I had to shave them off camera because they're like so hard to tame. And by the way, I used the crop brow from Benefit to do the brows. And now I'm just gonna conceal it with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Toffee. What did I say? Conceal. LA Girl Pro Concealer. No, but the name is LA Girl Pro Conceal. And it is a concealer. So y'all, I did not make a mistake. Ah! What the hell? What are you doing? So I have to make our brows longer, as you can see here, a little bit longer, because my brows are, relax your eyes. My brows are a little bit longer, and by the way, the longer your eyebrows are, the older you look like. So it's true. Don't play that. It's true. You okay? So I'm then gonna blend this out with this blending brush I got from BH Cosmetics. Bruh! It says from BH Cosmetics. Yeah, I know. What is that? Okay, she's laughing because it's not mine. Yeah, sure. Whose is it? Is it yours? It's mommy's one. Gotta blend it out. Blend. Bruh! Y'all, this is not easy doing makeup on someone else's face. Like, I don't even know where to place my hands. So because our outfits they're kind of like yellowish and stuff. Yeah, yellow. And I don't have any of that yellow color. I'm going to be using my Kiko Milano Illuminator highlighter to achieve that look. And also, I need like for the outer corner of her lids, I'm going to be using a very dark brownish. So what I do after applying the eyeshadow, I just blend everything in, you know, together, just to admit those harsh lines, so everything can look smooth. So now I'm going to be using the MAC Match Master foundation. It's 7.5. We're the same color, right?
Yeah.
So the question is, who is light skinned? No, I'm just kidding. We're both dark as hell. Melanin popping in that, you know? So let's just blend it all out. Or in, whatever. This looks like torture. Bird. No. Look up. Okay, what to do yourself?
Yeah.
Fine, then do.
Oh my god.
Seriously? Is it not the same thing I did?
You did.
Okay, my phone. Someone's trying to blow up my phone. So now I'm going to be using my Sleek palette, contour palette, and I'm going to be using this shade to highlight and this shade to contour. Look up. So to highlight, I'm really going down.
Highlight.
Yeah, let's go to highlights. If you want to conceal the place, you are highlighting it later.
Okay.
Well, I'm the makeup artist here. What is wrong?
Okay.
I am done. Look up.
Okay.
What the hell are you? I'm not doing this anymore. I'm done. I'm not filming again.
Okay.
Look up.
Okay. No, God.
Look up. I give up, guys. I give up. I'm not doing this anymore.
Okay.
I don't know if I should highlight her cheeks because I don't know, you have more cheeks than I do. Like your cheeks are really, you know, there. Like, do I do it? Look up!
Oh my god, stop shouting. Oh my god, stop shouting.
Oh my god. And then conceal the nose. Okay, so I have an idea. I think I'm going to use a darker color for here because you have like a lot of cheekbones and I don't.
Okay.
What?
You're bouncing my eyeballs.
I have to bounce it. Boy, close now. Look up.
Okay, wait. Make up your mind. Close. Look up.
Close your mouth and look up.
Okay.
Guys, I'm not doing this anymore. Like, I am not. Shout out to all the makeup artists out there. Like, kudos. You guys do a great job. I don't know. Like, to put makeup on my face is way easier than on someone else. You know this part of your face is different than mine.
I hate this part because it has like those lines here.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
I don't have that. But I don't know how to.
Ja, schön
I
für
think.
dich weitermachen, Alter.
Okay, bruh. But how do I get it wet? I think I should put more. No. Yeah. True though. Oh my god, that's so true. Okay, so guys, we just noticed this part of her face is different than mine. So I'm going to contour it. Don't. Okay. Here. Like I've never contoured that part of her face.
In the arms of the angel, fly.
Let's blend it in. Oh, it helps.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think I'll put in now.
it helps. So now we're baking the face with Sasha Buttercup
Yeah, ma.
powder.
Wow. Oh, jet, I'm famous.
Retro.
I like to sing on YouTube.
You are allowed to sing.
I don't think you're. No.
You are allowed to sing on YouTube.
Nee.
Why not? Why shouldn't you be allowed to sing on YouTube?
You're not allowed to sing.
Copyright.
Yeah.
What? Duh.
Someone's song.
Who sang the song?
Small doctor.
Small Doctor, I'm sorry, but we have to sing the song.
Oh, that's it.
Okay. Now we dust off this powder, baking powder. Okay, so wow, boy, you look like me. I don't want to look like you. Hey, chop chop kitty bando. I don't want to look like you. Chop chop kitty bando. I don't want to look like you. Chop chop. Okay.
That's the facts, you know. Hey,
Do you even know any parts?
a young nigga listen.
I don't look like you again. But what? This is one of my favorite highlighters. Like everybody knows.
Mine's
Yeah, I love the brownish kind of look it gives you. That sun kissed, that melanin popping, you know, look like this. Let me look.
I don't want to look like
that. Bruh, I am done with this child. Whose man's is? Whose child
my
is?
man's.
My man is your man and her man. Two.
Man. Okay, that's it.
My man is your man and our man is your man, her man too, our man, her man.
Yeah.
Shout out to Caesar for that song because I don't understand shit. Alright, now to the lip part. We're just using the Manhattan pencil, brown pencil, whatever, to outline.
Brown pencil.
Brown pencil. Brown.
Brown
Don't nobody gotta know that.
Okay.
Your secret, my secret. How about that?
Yeah, okay.
Put a bit more. Okay. Now let's see the finished look. This is a friendly family channel. How you gonna be doing that on my channel? How you gonna be doing that on my channel?
Okay.
TF though. Okay. You look good, sis. I think you look like me.
Not done.
Okay, guys. Now it's time to reveal the secret. Are we twins or not?
My girl, she no be number one. Cause my girl, she be the perfect one. She's not too fat, not too slim. She be the perfect one. She's not too loud, not too dark.
So, what's my intro?
I don't know.
Hi guys, what's good? What's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel.
You don't say what's fun.
I say what's poppin'. Hi guys, what's good? What's poppin'?
Hi guys, what's good? What's poppin'?
Welcome back to my channel.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so hi guys, what's good? What's popping? Welcome back to my
Hi guys, what's good? Hi
What's
guys,
good? What's popping? Welcome back to my
hi guys, what's good? What's popping? Welcome back to my channel.
Shukulaki loco you, Shuku shaker, I am shoemaker. Caroline, stop your drama. I don't need it for your soap opera.
Fire, fire,